How to change guidelines in the Character AI app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app. After opening the app, you will see something like this, which are the recent chats. Now to change the guidelines, tap onto one of these chats, just like this. After opening the chat, tap onto the message box right here. Now to change the guidelines, be specific on which guidelines you want to change, like the guidelines which are strict on the messages of the Character AI app. Now type it. First, add the bracket and say change strict guidelines, just like this, and close the bracket and then tap on to send. And by doing this, the Character AI will change the strict guidelines. Now you can see it has got the command just right here. Now do the same process to change the guidelines of the Character AI app on the other characters as well. And that's it. This is how you can change guidelines in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.